Anything wey be say na your problem, I go give an update back to back. Yo, I don't come again. This is a car doctor Okudele. Na me be biggest car electrician in Lagos. As far as say Nigeria is concerned, na me be the biggest. Na me go give the update back to back. We no dey two, no only me. We no dey two, no only me. Okay, make una see this fine car wey dey here now. We don try to start am, e no gree start. Cameraman, follow me, mo go start am again. Make my followers see am. Make my followers see am. E no gree start. Mo start am again, mo know wetin dey do am. E no gree start. See am, no be everything e go call electrician. No be everything. No be small thing go happen, you go dey call electrician. E get light wey suppose show you, wetin dey call check light. Check light. If that light no show, baba, the motor no dey start. E no go gree start. Nothing wey you fit do am wey the motor go start. Let's say that light appear. You understand? Na im dey call check light, baba. Na im dey call check light. If that light no show, the motor no go start. Till you find wetin make am wey no gree show, do am make e show back. If e show back, the motor go start one hand. You understand? You go start one hand, baba. You understand? So the thing wey dey there be say now be say mo go for engine room for the fuse box, go find wetin make am wey no gree start. You understand? Cameraman, follow me now. Follow me. Mo check wetin make am wey no gree start. Make una come this side, though. Make una come this side. Now this thing now. Now here now go check wetin make am. No need say make you go dey. If you come here now, come put your tester here now. If you come here now, come put your tester now. We come dey test all the whole fuse wey dey here. Oga, they dey spoil your fuse box. Na that thing dey make fuse box spoil. E dey spoil your fuse box, baba. E dey spoil am. Na just simple something. You understand? Na simple something, baba. I make they tell you say anything wey you no know, ask person wey no pass you. You understand? Anything wey you no know am. Na me be the biggest electrician in Lagos. Na me be as far as Nigeria is concerned. No be this one wey be say oyibo go dey speak English. They speak English, you no go even understand wetin they dey talk. You understand? Na make I just use pidgin English, break am down one by so that you go understand wetin I dey talk. You understand? So see the thing here. No need to go the check fuse box. Just buy this. If you be say your own don't spoil, you understand? But I want you to use this one now. Show me example. You understand? So don't put the fuse now. Don't put them. Cameraman, follow me. Now go show them now. Follow. Cameraman, come front. You don't see him. The check light what they talk about. Now you wear my hand there so. You don't see him. The last light where they here now. The last light. Now be the check light now. If you look and go see where they write up check light. Now be the check light. Oh yeah, mo could start the motor now. Mo know whether it go start. Now don't see him. No be by church. You go fit do am. No be by church. You go fit do am. Okay, make una see am. Cameraman come from. Make una see am. Kitchen dey steam. Very quiet. Kitchen dey steam, baba. No be say na amount o. I need the biggest. Na me go give an update back to back. I need to give an update. Baba, I don't see am. No be by church. You see the fuse wey you see so. If your own don't get issue, just like as I be tell you, just meet electrician. Tell am say make dem give you the fuse. Any kind motor wey be say you get, any kind motor wey you use, don't mention the name. Don't mention the name. Dem go give you the fuse wey you want. If you know no person to call, drop your location. If na the first time wey you dey watch my video, subscribe my channel, follow me, like my video. Anything wey be say na your problem, I go give an update back to back. One love.